Ready for Action is about driving additive manufacturing and sustainment and readiness across America's most critical industries, from defense and aerospace to maritime and oil and gas. We wanted to bring together leaders, innovators and manufacturers to collaborate on strengthening supply chains, advancing technology and ensuring our industries stay mission ready. We've organised Ready for Action to spark real partnerships and practical solutions that keep the nation's capabilities strong, agile and ready for whatever comes next.
So as an institution, and especially like a university, we're always looking to solve challenges. So coming here, it allows me to interact with a lot of different service providers, a lot of different people from the Department of Defense, actually understand what challenges they're facing from both alloy perspective, from a manufacturing perspective, from workforce development perspective. And then I can take all of that knowledge back to the university and we can actually start training students on some of these technologies, building up that workforce and looking at some of those newer alloys that they actually need to push through extreme environments.
For me, additive is there as the mechanism to improve readiness right there at the point of need. Getting mission ready is getting it back up. And what cost can you associate with getting a piece of equipment, whether it's aircraft, ship, sub, back into the game, back to do that mission? It's hard to do, and it's always an argument. We have the same problems that you're having in the same way. Everyone's in this together. So I've really enjoyed the focus of this particular event because that is the area where we can do the most good.
Events like this are extremely important to really bringing different parts of industry together, and not just industry, but academia, and then also the sort of procurement or government side. It lets people identify the challenges, potential solutions that are being worked, and really help shape future directions. Trying to help accelerate, trying to get faster, trying to get cheaper, trying to make it really more of a true rate production capability.
At the Ready for Action event, we've been printing real parts in our Meltio 600 and Meltio robot cell, both employing blue laser technology to manufacture at the time of need and point of need parts for naval industry, for defense, energy, oil and gas, and for any user that requires high quality components manufactured with a time frame that is not accessible to normal supply chain.
Ready for Action has been a great success. Today, together with Fastech, Meltio has opened its first reference site in North America. Here, you will be able to see our machines printing. Additive manufacturing become reality with our M600 and our robot cell. Many thanks to Fastech for trust on Meltio and made this possible.